Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. Yes, I hope your week is going good so far. Yes, it's Wednesday. I know it's not Monday, but as promised, yes, we did promise that we would share with you our weekly Monday video. And yes, you know we've been talking about breast cancer awareness, and it's the 28th day of October. You know October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and as we focus on breast cancer awareness, one of the questions I want to ask you, as I thought about it when I asked my mom if she knew what breast cancer awareness was, and do you really know what breast cancer awareness is all about? Because really and truly, if you don't, this series or this video especially is for you. So today, as we talk about breast cancer awareness, one of the things I want us to understand and to remember, if you've been watching my videos, if you have not seen them, definitely check them out. In the description section of this video, you'll see the playlist for the videos we did last year. Yes, breast cancer awareness, it's really and truly being aware of how breast cancer, one, what is breast cancer, how it comes about, two, second, and thirdly, how how prevalent it is in our country, Jamaica, and also in the world. Mind you, you don't necessarily have to know all of those statistics and all of that, but to understand that breast cancer awareness is really being aware of breast cancer and how it happens. Like, as women, we do have more breasts than men. However, men, yes, you can be predisposed to breast cancer. Maybe not as the same percentage as women, because they said it's out of 1,000 women who gets breast cancer or who get breast cancer, 1 out of 1,000 men, 1 out of 1,000 women gets breast cancer. So it is important that you definitely be aware. Check your breasts, like we always talk about it. I always say make sure you do your monthly self breast examination, or I call it SBA. Yes, make sure you check it, you look at it, you see what is going on with your body. It is your body, so definitely get naked with yourself and see your body and check yourself. Okay, as in Jamaica we say check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check yourself out. All right, so another thing I want to mention, if you ever find anything that is uncommon or abnormal or unusual about your body or your skin, definitely get it checked out. If you ever find a lump in your breast, you definitely need to see your doctor. If you don't have a primary care doctor, definitely go to your local clinic or your hospital or your local health center and get it checked out. Mind you, when they check it out, it can be either benign or it can be malignant. Benign meaning that it doesn't have any cancerous cells, or malignant meaning that yes, there are cancerous cells that they would want to get rid of, or to at least tell you that they're there. All right, so as we talk about breast cancer awareness and we wrap up Breast Cancer Awareness Month, one of the things that I want to let you know is that yes, there are some people who die from breast cancer. Now you see me wearing this shirt. I wear pink for Tanisha. Tanisha is one of these stories. One young woman, which I actually I'm blessed to have met. Interestingly, we have a similar name. Her last name was Stevens. Her maiden name was Stevens. Mine was Stevens. So Tanisha Stevens, Tanisha Stevens. And so yes, I got a chance to meet her. I actually met her while she was fighting breast cancer at 33. I am sorrowful to know that she's not with us anymore. I got a chance to meet her in person, and such a wonderful woman. And yes, I'm thinking about her widower, her husband, and even the rest of her family, and even her dad. And we joke about it and say definitely we must be related, because she looks so much like me and my family. And yes, it's such a privilege to to remember those who have lost the battle um, for breast cancer, battle with breast cancer, or even cancer. And so this is dear to my heart, and you may wonder, why am I harping on it so much? It is dear to my heart. I have an uncle who died from cancer. And so yes, it is very dear to my heart, and it's something that I definitely want to see more awareness, not just in doing these programs each year every October, but each day and each month we should take time, not just in October, but let us take the time to take care of our bodies. If you don't take care of your body, who will? And so that's my challenge for you today. We will continue with breast cancer awareness, and in November, as God wills. As many of you know that yes, our Jamaica is under storm watch. The weather report says that there should be rain beginning tonight into tomorrow, maybe for the next 2 weeks. But however, we will try to do the videos even if we need to do them inside. But I just want to encourage us to, yes, take the time to talk with ladies, take the time to talk with your children, talk with your mothers, talk with your aunts, talk with your nieces, talk with all the female in your life about this. And yes, also talk with your husband, talk with your sons, talk with your fathers, and all these different your uncles, everybody, because we all have breasts, and yes, it can happen to any one of us. I don't want to leave you in a hopeless situation, so I definitely want to encourage you that yes, God knows the path that we need to take, and he says in his word that he promised to be with us. He promised to be with us, as the psalmist says in Psalm 23, yea, though I walk the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. I pray you'll have a wonderful rest of the week. Keep safe, and God be with you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.